Before you throw away those wooden chopsticks, stop for a second. You might be surprised how useful they can still be around your home. Today, I'll show you 5 smart and creative ways to reuse wooden chopsticks that are simple, practical, and super helpful. Some of these ideas can even save you money and make everyday tasks easier. Before we start, make sure to wash the chopsticks well and let them dry completely in the sun or air dry them overnight. Let's get started. Washing sneakers takes forever to dry sometimes. Here's an easy trick. After washing your shoes, place chopsticks inside to keep the opening wide open. This improves airflow inside the shoes and prevents water from getting trapped. Your shoes dry faster and keep their shape better too. Here's a super useful kitchen trick. Sometimes you need to pour liquid into a narrow bottle, but you can't find a funnel. No problem. Place a chopstick across the bottle opening and slowly pour the liquid along the chopstick. The chopstick guides the liquid smoothly into the container and helps prevent messy spills everywhere. Easy and genius. Have you ever wanted to steam food but didn't have a steaming rack? Here's an easy solution using chopsticks. Take 3 chopsticks and arrange them into a triangle shape. Tie the corners tightly using thread or string. Make 2 triangle pieces like this. Pour some water into a regular cooking pan. Place the 2 chopstick triangles inside the pan in a star shape. Then place your plate of food on top, cover the lid, and boil the water. Now you have a simple homemade steaming rack. Perfect for steaming dumplings, vegetables, or buns without buying extra kitchen tools. This next idea is both cute and useful. Wrap a rubber band around the middle of one chopstick. Take another chopstick and slide it through the rubber band to create an X shape. Repeat this with several pairs. Now stack all the pairs together while keeping the pointed ends facing the same direction. Carefully bend the whole bundle into a circle shape and secure the overlapping top sections with another rubber band. You'll get a mini fruit basket, perfect for small fruits, snacks, candy, or table decoration. If you want the basket taller, add another rubber band around the center. If you want it wider, leave it loose. Simple, creative, and surprisingly stylish. Opening hot soup containers can sometimes get messy fast. When you pull the plastic lid by hand, hot soup or curry can suddenly splash onto your clothes. Instead, use chopsticks. Slide the chopsticks under the edge of the lid and gently lift it away from your face and body. This helps open the container more safely and reduces splashing. A small trick, but very useful. Those are 5 creative ways to reuse wooden chopsticks at home. My favorite ideas are the DIY steaming rack, the mini fruit basket, and the splash-free lid opener. Which one did you like the most? Leave a comment below and let me know. And if you found these ideas helpful, share this video with your friends and family so they can try them too. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Easy Genius DIY, and turn on notifications for more smart DIY ideas and life hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.